Good evening, students. Today we have to discuss the two-dimensional analytical geometry chapter. Example 5.5. Examine the position of the point with respect to the circle x square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y plus 12 equal to 0. We want to find the point lie on the circle at which position, inside or outside, or lie on the circle. Okay, right. First of all, we have to take the point 2, 3 with the circle x squared plus y squared minus 6x minus 8y plus 12 equal to 0. Here we want to change the point, the circle at now. Here x1 square plus y1 square minus 6x1 minus 8y1 plus 12 which is equal to, this point must be x1 comma y1. Apply the point to the circle at which position the point is. Here x1 square is 2 square plus y1 square is 3 square minus 6 into x1 means 2 minus 8 into y1 is 3 plus 12 which is equal to, here 4 plus 9 minus 12 minus 24 plus 12. Here minus 12 plus 12 cancel and this is 13 minus 24. The value is minus 11. Minus 11 which is less than 0. Already we know that the concept from theorem 5.3 says that g squared plus f square minus c, the concept is totally 0. So we have to find less than 0, equal to 0, greater than 0. This is the equation of the circle x square plus y square plus also plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c, which is the equation of circle which is less than 0. See, inside the point, inside the circle, the point lies on inside the circle, equal to 0 lie on the circle, and greater than 0 outside of the circle. Okay, now the point is less than 0, the equation of the circle, okay, which comes the point 2, 3 minus 11 less than 0. The point or the position of the point, the position of the point is, which is less than 0, is inside the circle, is inside the circle. This is rough work, already we know the theorem, we don't write here, this is only for our reference. So this is the example 5.6. the line 3x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0 meets the coordinate axis at a comma b. Find the equation of the circle drawn on AB as a diameter. Right? First of all, we have to find the line meets the coordinate axis at A, B. Draw the diagram. This is A and this is B. This is the line. This line meets the coordinate axis at A and B. This is the line 3x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. Already we know that the intercept form of the line is here 3x plus 4y equal to 12 divided by 12 on both sides. So what is the value? Here x by 4 plus y by 3 is equal to 1. This is x-intercept and this is y-intercept. The x-intercept point is x-intercept A equal to 4, y-intercept B equal to 3. Therefore, the point A is 4, 0 and this point is y-intercept 0, 3. This makes AB as a diameter of the required circle. And now we draw the circle here. This is the diameter. So this is the diameter. And we have extremities. The end points are extremities. The end points of the circle are extremities. End point of the circle is 1. A is 4, 0, 0, 3. This is x2, y2. And the equation of the circle is, we have a formula for two extremities, x minus x1, x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2, which is equal to 0. Here x minus the x1 value is 4 and x minus the x2 value is 0 plus y minus the y1 value is 0 and y minus the y2 value is 3, which is equal to 0. Here only x and here only y. Multiply x to x minus 4, x squared minus 4x, and y to multiply y minus 3 plus y squared minus 3y equal to 0. Now x squared plus y squared minus 4x minus 3y equal to 0, which is the required equation of the circle. Refer the sum. Example 5.7. A line 3x plus 4y plus 10 equal to 0 cuts a chord of length 6 units on a circle with the center of the circle 2, 1. Find the equation of the circle in general form. First of all, you want to know what is given concept. The line cuts a chord of the length 6 units. This is the chord of the circle, and given center of the circle is 2, 1. This is C, 2, 1, and we draw the line cuts the chord. The chord is 3x plus 4y plus 10 equal to 0. Total chord length is 6 units. Total 6 units. Therefore, we have to divide cuts 3 units. This is 3 and this is 3 units. And we have to draw a triangle CAB. Triangle CAB or CBA. CBA is 90 degree. Okay. The length of BA or AB is 3 units. Solution. Center C 2, 1, and we want to find the distance. This distance, and this distance is very important. CB and CA. First of all, we want to find CB. CB is 1 point and 1 line. The distance between 1 point and 1 line. We have a formula A x1 plus B y1 divided by plus C divided by root of a squared plus b squared modulus. This is the equation ax plus by plus c. Here a value is 3 and b value is 4 and c value is 10. From the point C to 1, the distance CB equal to, we have a formula. This is the formula, 3 into the point x1, y1. Here x1 is 2, 3 into 2 plus by1. B value is 4, 4 into y1 value is 1 plus the c value is 10 divided by root of a square plus b square. A square is 3 square 9 plus b square is 4 square 16, which is equal to, this is 6 plus 4 10 20. 20 divided by root of 25, actually the value is 5. Next, CB equal to 4 units. The value of CB equal to 4 units. And we have a Pythagoras theorem. We know Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. The AC squared value equal to AB square. AB square is 9 plus BC square is 4 16 equal to 25. Therefore, the AC value is 5. AC value is 5 units. Therefore, this is the radius. AC is the radius of the circle. The radius is equal to 5 units. And we have a formula. We know that one radius and center is there. So we have a formula, equation of a circle. Equation of the circle, x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square is equal to r square. And we have to apply here x minus the h value is center. This is h comma k. The x value is 2, x minus 2 the whole square plus y minus the k value is 1. 1 square is equal to, radius is 5 units, so 5 square 25. And we want to expand this, x minus 2 whole square. This is x square plus 4 minus 4x, and plus expand this one, y square plus 1 minus 2y is equal to 25. Here x square, arrange the value, y square minus 4x minus 2y, this is 5, 4 plus 1 5, and this is 25, so minus 20 is equal to 0, which is the required equation of the circle. Refer the sum. Example 5.8. A circle of radius 3 units touches both axes. Find the equation of all possible circles formed in the general form. First of all, we want to find all possible circle touches the both axes. First of all, we draw a circle touches the both axes. This is x axis and this is y axis, and we want to touches both axes. This circle also and this circle also. Each circle has 3 units. Radius 3 units. So this is center 3 comma 3. Radius 3 units. And first of all, we have to find one circle equation. Center 3 comma 3. This is the first circle. Comma radius center C 3 comma 3, radius R equal to 3. The equation of the first circle. The equation of the first circle is, we have a center h comma k and radius. So x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square is equal to r square. Here h comma k is 3, so x minus 3 the whole square plus y minus 3 the whole square is equal to r square value is 3 square So which is 9. We have to expand this. This is x square plus 9 minus 6x, and here plus y square plus 9 minus 6y, which is equal to 9. And we want to cancel any one 9 here, and one 9 is remaining. So x square plus y square minus 6x and minus 6y is equal to r plus 9 equal to 0. This is the first circle equation, and we want to find all possible circle. Therefore, equation of all possible circle is, this is the all possible value, because, and this is center C, minus 3 comma 3, and this one is center C. Here both, this is third quadrant, both points are negative, minus 3 comma minus 3, and this is fourth quadrant, this is second, and this is third, and this is fourth. This is also C, x distance is 3 comma y distance is minus 3, and this is center 1, center 2, center 3, center 4. Here 4 possible circle. So we want to find the possible equation. The value only changes, minus 3, here 3, minus 3. The sign only changes. So here, if we expand this term, the sign only changes in 2ab term. And this is b square term. This is a square, this is b square term. There is no change, because minus, if minus 3 is there, so we have to square plus 9. Here, this term, these two terms are changed, minus 6y and minus 6x and minus 6y. So all possible equation of all possible circle equation, we have to write x square plus y square. These two terms only change. Therefore here plus or minus 6x and plus or minus 6y plus 9 equal to 0. We don't give plus or minus here, because this is the square term. 3 square 9. If we have minus 3, also 3. If we have plus 3, also 3. So the sign changes of all possible circle has only 6x and 6y term. So that's why I have to do plus or minus. Okay, right. This is the equation of all possible circle. Refer the sum. And this is example 5.9. Find the center and the radius of the circle 3x square plus a plus 1y square plus 6x minus 9y plus a plus 4 equal to 0. Here we want to find the a value first. Already we know that in circle equation, the coefficient of x square and the coefficient of y square are same. We know that coefficient of x square is equal to coefficient of y square, because the coefficient of x square is 3. Here the coefficient of y square is a plus 1. Therefore 3 minus 1 equal to a. Therefore a equal to 2. We have to apply the a value in this equation. Now 3x square plus a plus 1. This is 2 plus 1. 3y square plus 6x minus 9y plus the a value is 2. 2 plus 4, 6 equal to 0. Find the center and radius of the circle. We want to find the center and radius. If we find the center and radius, you have to equate the central form of circle, or directly we can take that. In this circle, we want to divide 3 on both sides, because this is 3x square, 3y square. Here we want to compare the general equation. This is the coefficient is 1 only. Okay, therefore x square plus y square plus 2x minus 3y plus 2 equal to 0. The general equation of the circle is x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Here we are to equating these two terms, two equations. Here 2g, here 2x, 2gx, 2g. Therefore 2g equal to 2, therefore g equal to 1. And equating this y coefficient, 2f equal to minus 3, here g is equal to 1, f equal to minus 3 by 2. Therefore center is minus g comma minus f. Therefore the center value g is minus 1 comma minus f is plus 3 by 2. This is center. And we want to find the radius. The radius equation is r equal to root of g squared plus f squared minus c. Here root of the g square value is 1 square 1 plus the f square value is minus 3 by 2 whole square is 9 by 4 minus the c value is 2. Here the c value is 2. C is equal to 2 minus 2. First of all, we have to simplify this term. 4 into 1 4, 4 plus 9 13 by 4 minus 2. And we want to simplify 4 2s are 8. So 13 minus 8 5. 5 by 4. That is equal to root 5 by 2. This is radius. Okay. Therefore the sum. Example 5.1, question number 7. A circle of area 9 pi square units has two of its diameter along the lines x plus y equal to 5 and x minus y equal to 1. Find the equation of the circle. This is the circle. This circle having the two lines as a diameter. This is one line and this is another one line. This is the center of the circle. Okay, right. So this is AB and this is CD. This is the center, small c. Okay. First of all, we have to solve these two lines equation. Point of intersection is a center. The diameter lines are one is x plus y equal to 5 and another one is x minus y equal to 1. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. We want to solve and we get the center of the circle. First of all, directly we can find, cancel these two value. 2x is equal to 6, therefore x is equal to 3. And we have to apply any one equation of the value of x equal to 3. Here x plus y equal to 5 if x equal to 3. Therefore y is equal to 5. This x value is 3. Here minus 3. Y equal to 2. Therefore the center is c is equal to 3 comma 2. And find the equation of the circle. And we have one more information. The circle of area is 9 pi. Circle of area or area of circle. Area of circle A equal to 9 pi. Right? Area of a circle formula is pi r square is equal to 9 pi. Here pi are cancelled. R square is equal to 9. Therefore r equal to 3 only, plus or minus 3, but we have to take only positive value because it is length, radius. We have radius and center. Therefore the equation of the circle is, the equation of the circle is x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square is equal to r square. Here this is h comma k, x minus 3 the whole square plus y minus k means 2 whole square is equal to, the value of r square is r is 3 square 3, so 3 square 9, and we have to simplify these two terms, x squared plus 9 minus 6x, and we have to expand this y squared plus 4 minus 4y equal to 9. Here we have to cancel this 9 and that 9. What are the equation? X square plus y square, arrange the elements, x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y plus 4 equal to 0, which is the required equation of the circle. Refer the sum.